Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. If we start with the global cues and global macros, then most of these macros are still at an unchanged levels, or still they are not in favor of emerging markets, but there is hardly any major change in last 2 days. While looking at the global markets, then US markets close at the highest point of the day. Asian markets are trading with mixed gains, but overall they are quite steady. And if we see the performance of last few weeks, then they are doing much better as compared to last few months. Now US markets close at the highest point of the day. Gift Nifty is indicating nearly 40-45 points higher. However, if we just go through with the setup of our markets, then FIs are consistently selling in the market, and also they have short positions on the FNO. So it's an expiry day, and that's the reason we are of the view that 22,050 going to act as major resistance for the market. Above that, there are fair chances of hitting 22,150, but the real strength will emerge if it crosses the levels of 22,200. Above that only we can expect specific bullishness in the market or start of the new bull trend. Otherwise, we are going to see range bound activity, and in that range bound activity it should not break the level of 21,800. On Wednesday, when the market was down during the day, 21,850, 21,800 acted as major support for the market, and from there all the way it recovered back. So it should not break 21,800, otherwise the Nifty can fall to the next levels of 21,700, where it has support of huge put writing. Now if we go through with the setup of Bank Nifty, then there we are seeing some interesting bullish consolidation formation. 45,500 acted as major support, and despite there was hammering in the market, most of the time Bank Nifty managed to survive above the levels of 45,500, which is positive. Based on the technical formation, 46,100 will be the immediate resistance level, and on the dismissal of that we can even expect the next levels of 46,600 or 46,900. But below 45,500, the Bank Nifty can fall to the levels of 44,500 with a minor support at 45,000 levels. But as we have to face the major event of the credit policy, after the announcement of the policy, we need to focus on 22,050 as the important level. If we see the market is sustaining comfortably above the same, then the strategy should be to look for adding positions with a target of at least 22,200, and in the best case scenario 22,400. But apart from this major indices, if we go through with few stocks, then State Bank did really well in yesterday's trading session. It closed above the levels of 670, which is positive. Now on immediate basis, 680 going to act as major resistance. But as the stock has crossed its all-time highest level, we are of the view that the State Bank is eventually heading for 700 to 720 in the near term. So it's a buy if there is any correction in the market, and hold with a view of at least short term to medium term. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a nice day to all of you.